Hello, welcome to our channel Dino World TV. Today there are many animals in our mud sandbox, and a parrot has been attacked by an elephant. All the animals have come forward to save it, and the Hulk has also come to help. So first we will take out all the animals one by one from the mud and the clean. If you save the parrot from the elephant, the first animal you have is the bear. Let's take it out of the mud and clean it. Bears are powerful mammals with sharp claw and omnivorous diet, playing vital role in ecosystem worldwide. The next animal you have is a camel, which is stuck in the mud. Let's clean it out of the mud. Camels are desert-dwelling mammals known for their ability to survive in arid environment with features like hump for storing fat and adaptation for conserving water. The next animal you have is a dog, which is stuck in the mud. Let's wash it. Dogs are domesticated mammals known for their loyalty, intelligence, and varied role as companions, working animals, and service animals. Now we have the next animal, a cow. Let's clean it by taking it out of the mud. Cows are domesticated mammals known for their milk production, gentle nature, and importance in agriculture for dairy products. Next, you have the animal's lion, which is stuck in the mud. Let's clean it. Lions are majestic big cat, known for their golden fur and men skilled hunters, often hunting in prides, and they play a crucial role in ecosystem. Now you have the next animal, the panda. Panda are bear known for their distinctive black and white fur, bamboo diet, and decoy nature. Native to China and iconic symbol of wildlife conservation. Next you have the animal's rhinoceros, which is stuck also the mud. Let's clean it. Rhino are large herbivorous mammals with thick skin, sturdy bodies, and distinctive horns, playing a crucial role in their ecosystem. The next animal you have is the zebra, which is stuck in the mud. Let's clean it. Zebra are herbivorous mammals with black and white stripes found in grassland and savanna, using their stripes for camouflage and group recognition. And the next animal you have the giraffe. Let's clean it by taking it out of the mud. Giraffes are tall herbivorous mammals with long necks, specialized for browsing leaves from trees, and they have unique spot pattern on their bodies. Now let's clean this Hulk out of the mud. The Hulk is a fictional superhero created by Marvel Comics, known for his incredible strength, green skin, and let's make it sit here. Now you have the next animal, the tiger. Let's take it out of the mud and wash it. Tigers are big cat known for their orange fur with black stripes, exceptional hunting skill, and solitary nature. Next you have the animals duck, which is stuck in the mud. Let's clean it. Ducks are waterfowl known for their web feet water through feathers and quaking sound often found in freshwater habitats like ponds, lake and river. The next animal you have is a leopard. Let's take it out of the mud and wash it. Leopards are big cats known for their golden coat with black spots, a stealthy hunting skill and adaptability to various habits from forest to savanna. Now friends, we will save the parrot which has been attacked by elephant. First let's clean this elephant. Elephants are intelligent mammals with long tusks and a versatile trunk used for various tasks such as communication, gathering food and manipulation objects. Now you take the weak parrot out of this mud and clean it with water. Parrots are colorful birds known for their ability to mimic a human speech, vibrate plumage and intelligence found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Now you have the next animal, the hippo. Let's also take it out of this mud and wash it. Hippo are large semi-aquatic mammals known for their powerful jaw, tusks and aggressive behavior, often considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. The next animal you have is a horse. It is also stuck in the mud. Let's clean it. Horses are domesticated mammals known for their speed, agility and strength, which for transportation, work and companionship by humans for centuries. Next you have the deer, which is lying in the mud after falling down. Let's clean it. Deer are herbivorous mammals known for their antlers, graceful appearance and swift running ability. Now the next animal you have is the cock. Let's take it out of this mud and wash it. Cocks are male chickens known for their colorful plumage, distinctive crowing and role in poultry farming for meat and egg production. The last animal you have the friend, the bison, which is stuck in the mud. Let's clean it. Bison, also known as buffalo, are large herbivorous mammals with saggy fur and distinctive horns. They roam grassland and plains in North America and Europe. Thanks friends for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.